we're going to go over plant structures. And you should know these perfectly now, right? What's this? Roots. What do?
They support the plant.
Anchor.
Accept them all. They anchor the plant and they absorb the nutrients and water from the soil that the plant needs in order to survive. So all water and nutrients like nitrogen, the CHA and PS, remember that? The carbon, the nitrogen, well, maybe not so much the carbon, but the nitrogen from the soil and phosphorus from the soil, all that's going to be absorbed through the roots of the plant. Now we've got what structure? Leaves. Good. They capture sunlight, and the focus of capturing sunlight is to be able to do what? Photosynthesis, which happens here, well, in the leaf, right, which is the, like, part of the plant, not a cellular part. There is a little cellular part inside called the stomata, which is the opening in the leaf where the gas exchange takes place for photosynthesis. And you're correct, it happens. That gas will go into, the chloroplast designs that green color and allows for that. You remember that whole process with parts of the chloroplast? Who remembers the parts of the chloroplast? Thylakoid, remember?
The stroma.
The pancakes. Good job. The next structure is what? Stem. What does it do? What part of the plant?
The leaves.
The leaves. It actually holds up the leaves. So the stem is the structure that's going to hold the leaves up and keep them nice and facing the sun in order to be able to photosynthesize. So deep inside the stem are what we call vascular tissues, which are like transport systems, right? There's two types. Who knows them? Xylem and phloem. Who could raise their hand and tell me what the xylem does? Good. It carries the water and nutrients that are absorbed through the roots all the way to the branches and leaves of the plants. So remember, you've got the root at the bottom, and then following the root is the stem. Inside the stem is the vascular tissue. Fresh. When you're in the stem, in the xylem, which is inside the stem, it's literally a part of the stem that connects from the root to the leaf and to all parts of the plant, really branches, going kind of in the direction from the root to the top parts of the plant. And then you have the phloem, which is going to do what? Raise your hand if you could tell me that.
It carries it carries something to the part of the plant.
Good. It carries the products of photosynthesis, which is going to be glucose because the oxygen, is going to be emitted into the atmosphere. So if you want to change the word products to glucose, it's going to carry the glucose, which is the product of photosynthesis that the plant needs, right, to different parts of the plant. So it could carry it to the root, it could carry it to the stem, it could carry it to another leaf, because it is that transport system that allows it to go to all parts of the plant.